BiGi, and today I'm pleased to introduce you to my channel and my first ASMR video. So, what we are doing today? I would like to show you the content of a refrigerator in a 5-star hotel in one of the best resources in Bulgaria. What we can choose from: wide variety of drinks, chocolates and spirit drinks. What we have first: a bottle of Coke and a bottle of Fanta Lemon. You already know the taste of these soft drinks. They're one of my favorites, but preferably I like Fanta Orange a bit more than a Coke. They're really tasty for the summer period. What we have in our refrigerator is a nice bottle of German beer, Heineken, the queen of soft, light beers. I like Heineken with potatoes or some fish, and I drink it regularly when I'm on holiday, especially visiting the sea and sometimes going to the lakes in our beautiful mountains. The queen of the wine, Bulgarian Chardonnay and Sauvignon Blanc, produced 2015 and made in our Bulgarian winery yards. I very much like this wine in the summer as a plate of different cheese and maybe some grape, watermelon, melon and other fruits. What I like about this wine, it's a small bottle, mild taste, and it's really easy to obtain it everywhere in Bulgaria. Best ladies drink for the summer. When we come to the winter season, it's the next king, the red wine of Bulgaria. This one is made of mezek and it's called Merlot 1970. So, in the winter, I'm sure I will invite friends, make some grilled meat, and we'll serve with this nice bottle of red Bulgarian wine. But we are still summer now, so real ladies drink real sparkly champagne wine. Such a lovely little bottle with some gold on it, on the top. It's called Cavalier. It's Blanc of the Brut. For the evenings on my balcony, having a glass of this wine, making me a big pleasure, which make my mood for the next day also. Highly recommend a ladies queen drink champagne. If we feel thirsty but we need something sweet, this is one of my favorite juices. It's blackcurrant rauch juice. Small bottle like this, nice shape. 200 grams are enough to make you feel full of pleasure bit of sugar, and then you put ice on in this. The taste is great, really lovely. And if you are getting tired and you suffer of lack of energy, the king of the energy drink, Red Bull. I'm a fan of Red Bull when I work late, when I'm tired, and when I need additional dose of life in my veins. So I always have one of these tins in my refrigerator because it's give me energy, completely free life energy. The queen of the drinks, mineral water. Can't compare water to anything. I drink 3 or 4 bottles of this every single day. Bulgarian water is known one of the best, containing minerals and elements supporting your health. So no day continue without having 3 or 4 bottles of this one. Sometimes I do like to change type of water I drink, so my second choice is this Norway ice spray water. It's imported from Norway, and the taste of this water is very nice, but a bit more heavy. So I would recommend one of this bottle every second day. It's full of minerals and elements who your body needs every day, but the water is a bit more heavy, so I use it a bit more rarely than Bulgarian mineral water, but still enjoy the taste very much. We come to the next pleasure in our refrigerator, spirit drinks. First, English Beefeater gin. It's lovely and fresh when you mix it with ice and water tonic. Very, very refreshing. One of these give me a fresh air for half of the day. The next very feminine drink is a vodka. Finlandia is one of the softest vodkas, and it's very easily swallowed by ladies. So, a vodka with ice, or a vodka just pure and clear as it is. It's very, very good for my mood. So, have one of this. Whatever you want, a nice mood. Very, very feminine and very, very masculine spirits. Baileys for the ladies, and Red Label Johnny Walker for guys. These two go very well together, but not at the same time. Invite your favorite friend and offer them one bottle of this and keep this for you. You'll spend a lovely time sharing these drinks and drinking together. If you feel need of more sugar and energy, this is a Lind. Pure chocolate, milk, cocoa and butter. Very mild. Sweet enough to satisfy any taste, and very easy to obtain everywhere in Bulgaria. So, need energy? Take bar of chocolate. What we can have for more energy is a bit of this bar sneaker. It's a small package, but really tasty, full of peanuts, chocolate, and some other sweet stuff and ingredients, which I'm not going to tell you today. Snickers is really made with taste. So, have this, or the chocolate, or you can have chocolate hazelnut biscuits. Small pieces with lots of contents. Lovely for the morning coffee. Lovely for dessert. And lovely for the evening drinks also. I like them. I really like them. And the last thing in our refrigerator, and this package of almond nuts. I really like almonds. And whenever I need something substantial to eat, instead of food, of course, I can replace a main meal with one of these packages. Really tasty, really healthy, and really full of life. This was the content of our refrigerator. So, whenever I need, I can have any of this. I can share with friends. I can share with anyone. And to say goodbye, I would like to wish you a very pleasurable evening. Enjoy your company, your friends. And don't forget to have a sip of nice wine whenever you need.